Hi, I'm Kaijun, and this is AI and Neural Fuji System individual project. And so for this project, we have to choose 2 to 3 classes of the data set. And then for me, I chosen 3 classes data set. First is the plastic bag, second is the face mask, and then third is the calculator. So there are 3,881 images for these 3 classes. And so for plastic bag, it has 2,144 image, and for face mask, it has 1,326, and then calculator is 811. And so for this all total 3,881 image is split into 3 parts. Uh, First, 70% is for trend, then 20% is for validate, and then another 10% is for test. After upload the dataset to the Robot Pro, then we have to download the data API for the for use in the YOLO. And so this is the YOLO retraining. And then this first is to have to install the requirement hardware or anything. Then next is to link the dataset to the Robot Pro, and this is the link that download from the Robot Pro. Next is to this the load the dataset location, and then this is to define the number of class. Next is this is to show the data set location of the validate image for later use, and then this is to train the data set. And so for the epoch, I select the 100 epoch for more better for the training, and for later precision is more accuracy. And so it's total use like almost 1 hour for training this data set, the model. Next is to run the tensor board. So the tensor board is used to visualize the training and the validation loss, and it also can monitor the performance of the metrics and check the confusion metrics also. And then it can track the learning rate, model wedge, and also the gradient. And so this is to display the training output graph from the tensor board. And here you can see it's more clear. Yeah, here is the F1 curve. So it's combine both the precision and also the recall. So the higher F1 score confirms that the model is not only precise but also the consistently detect most object across the dataset. So this is the result. It contains the boss loss. Boss loss is to measure the accuracy of bounding boss prediction. And then object loss is to track how confidently the model detects an object rather than background. And then this is the classification loss, is to indicate how accurately the model classify its object. And this is the precision and recall, and both improve the steadily and get better detection. And this is the MFP 0.5, the mean average precision. And this is the R curve. Curve is to show the recall increasing, indicating the model become better and taking all the instance of the custom object. And then this is the PR curve to demonstrate the trade-off between precision and also the recall. And next is the P curve. P curve is to show the precision steadily improve and stability. And this is the confusion matrix. And here we can see the to show how well the model distinguish between different object class. So we can see the calculator and the face mask is almost 1. 0.99 is pretty good. And but for the plastic bag is 0.81 is more effect than the effect by the background. And so this is all the validated result, validated result. And so this is the correllogram, and this is the label. Then after that is to run the inference with trend based on the image. And so here the test result of the image. Yeah, here some cannot get the result because it's affected by the background. So the background is also affect the prediction also. Then after that is to train with the webcam. And here is all the function uh, to run the webcam also. And here is to through the webcam we capture the image, then it show the result to us. And then this is to live webcam, and it will straight away show the prediction result. And here, yeah, I don't know why give the test mask. And so here we can test with the result. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so the calculator is because might be affected by the background, so it's not very accuracy. And here the plastic bag. But if it's with the background, it's will not very accuracy. Yeah, yeah. So have to give it there clear background. And so for face mask, it cannot not really can straight away predict the face mask. But if we test, then it will clearly give the result here. White one. Yeah. And so it's the calculator. And so that's all for the demo. Thank you.